Hi. This video will tell you how to restore your sticky notes from Notezilla's local backups. First, you need to know where Notezilla stores its data and backup. Right-click on the Notezilla icon and choose Preferences. The Advanced tab will show you the location of the data and backup folder. Let us open the data folder. If you are unable to access Notezilla, then you can open the data location by opening the folder appdata/conceptworld/Notezilla. Copy-paste the folder path in Windows File Explorer. All Notezilla data is stored in a file called notes8.db inside the data folder. Let us now open the backup folder too. By default, backups are in a folder called Backup under the main data folder. Inside the backup folder, you will notice multiple backups of different dates. Open the folder containing your most recent data. We just have to copy the notes8.db file to the data folder we previously saw. Oh wait! Before this, we need to exit Notezilla. Now come back to the backup folder. Copy the file and open the data folder. Before pasting this copied file, we will rename the existing notes8.db file. Rename it as old so there is no confusion later. Finally, paste the file you copied. Run Notezilla again and see your notes restored back. Hope this video helps you. Download Notezilla for free today from our website www.conceptworld.com. Thank you.